Mr. Pickett, you need to turn on your sound. Cavani?
Yes.
Well, you got a ticket back on the 2nd of May for failing to signal a lane change.
I would like to admit responsibility with an explanation.
And what is the explanation, please?
So if you look at the dash cam footage, I requested it, but they told me it would be $500 for me to get it. I don't know what that was about, but I remember the day vividly. The officer in question, I guess he was, in a hurry. I was basically just trying to get out of his way. So that's why I didn't lane change, because I thought he needed to get to wherever he was going.
And what stopped you from putting on your turn signal?
Because he was driving so erratically.
Oh, it's the officer's fault who's behind you for you not signaling a lane change. Well, you were very correct when you admitted responsibility with an
This is what I'm saying. This is the second ticket I've got from you guys. Well, this is actually not. This is the fourth or fifth. I'm always in something in this court. It's really weird. Your officers are clearly obsessed with me. But what I'm saying is if you look at the dash cam footage, you will see that he turned out into traffic in the lane that was
This is the fourth or fifth ticket you've gotten in Royal Oak?
Yeah, this is like, actually, I have an open case. I beat another case because an officer out of your court lied on me and said he seen me trying to break into a car, and then he said I fled in a loot. I had to beat that case. This is an ongoing thing with your officers. They are very obsessed, and it's very concerning.
I'm sure they can see you after dark.
I'm sure they see me on these streams for sure, and that's the problem. But what I was
saying, the problem
saying
is that you were cited for not signaling.
Right.
You admitted responsibility for that.
No, that's what I'm saying. My last ticket, it was the same situation.
We're only talking about this one.
Okay, but I'm saying if you look at the dash cam footage, they denied to look at the footage last time as well. If you look at it, you'll see what I'm talking about.
What does the footage have to do with the fact that you've admitted the fact that you changed the lane without signaling?
Because that's why I did that. He literally turned into traffic, and then when the light turned green, he swerved behind me, so I got out of his way because I thought he had somewhere to be. I didn't know where he had to be was to me, but I thought he had somewhere else to be, is what I'm saying.
It's not you guys doing things to you. Ma'am, you admitted responsibility. You admitted responsibility rightly. We're done.
That's exactly how it went on the stop.